Now you're watching, recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel present. Naitis 1200 PSI Portable Pressure Washer. This cordless pressure washer is designed for powerful, flexible, and hassle-free outdoor cleaning, combining long runtime, advanced motor technology, and an all-in-one accessory kit. Equipped with two 21-volt, 4.0 amp-hour rechargeable lithium batteries, it delivers up to 40 minutes of continuous operation on a single charge, making it ideal for cleaning cars, patios, driveways, and outdoor surfaces without interruption. With a fast charging time of just 4 to 5 hours, it's always ready for weekend chores. At the heart of the washer is a German-engineered brushless motor, offering up to 30% higher efficiency and twice the lifespan compared to traditional brushed motors. This advanced motor design runs cooler, requires no maintenance, and provides consistent, high-powered cleaning performance without the noise, fumes, or limitations of gas-powered or corded models. Versatility is enhanced with a 6-in-1 adjustable nozzle featuring multiple spray modes, including 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, shower, and angled sprays, allowing precise control for different surfaces and cleaning tasks. The detachable foam cannon produces thick, rich foam, perfect for gentle car washing and pre-treatment. The complete kit includes everything needed right out of the box, from the main washer unit and dual batteries to a 5-meter suction hose, filters, connectors, charger, and a portable storage case, ensuring convenience, portability, and easy storage. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.